Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to download the Quillbot app on your PC. To start, it's important to note that Quillbot does not have a standalone desktop app. However, you can use Quillbot on your PC by adding its browser extension or Word plugin. First, to add the Quillbot Chrome extension, open your browser and search for Quillbot for Chrome. Click on the link that leads to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, click on Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once added, the Quillbot extension will be accessible on any website you visit, including Google Docs. If you prefer using Quillbot with Microsoft Word, search for Quillbot for Word. From the results, click on the official link to download the add-in. Follow the instructions to install it, and once it's done, you'll be able to use Quillbot directly in Microsoft Word. These options make Quillbot easily accessible on your PC without needing a desktop app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.